Hi, everyone. Welcome to this week's weekly live immigration attorney chat here with Immigration for Couples. If you're new to our channel or our Facebook page, I'm attorney Megan Pastrana. I'm the owner and CEO of Immigration for Couples. And we host these weekly live chats to provide you with important information and tips for couples who are going through the U.S. immigration process. All right. My second topic is my spouse visa was approved. So what happens next? And I've made videos about this topic, similar topic, but I wanted to really go over what happens at the end of that consular interview. So I just talked about the common questions. And when they get to the end of that interview, after they've asked you all those questions at your consular or embassy interview, they will let you know the decision. So either they will tell you, we can't make a decision today, and they'll give you a piece of paper that explains why. They might need more evidence. They might need to complete more of a background check or more further review, or they might need to receive your medical exam before they can make that final decision. Or alternatively, they'll let you know, congratulations, we'll be approving your application. We'll be approving your spouse visa. So if that happens, when you're at the U.S. Embassy or consulate, the officer will be keeping your passport, and in your passport, they'll put that visa on one of the pages of your passport. So it's called a spouse visa, and I know for a lot of individuals they are confused about like when is the green card? When does the green card come? So I want to make sure that all of that is clear for you about what happens. So after you have that visa in your passport, that will allow you to enter the United States. There is a period of time that will be given on that visa, typically 6 months, but it's tied to the medical exam. So it's really important you check the expiration date on the visa and make sure you enter before that date. They can give you less than 6 months. Depending on the factors in your case, you might only have 2 or 3 months. So it's really important to pay attention to that date and make sure you're entering the United States before that. You'll also have to pay an online fee, a USCIS fee for printing the green card. Currently, here in June of 2023, it's $220. There'll be instructions when they give you the approval notice at the embassy to pay that fee. Once you've paid that fee and once you've entered the United States on your visa, you've actually completed the process to receive your green card. That's the final step, essentially, in the process once you've entered. And they will give you a stamp in your passport, or they will just notate it in their system that you've entered. And that visa, basically, you can think of it as that visa kind of converts to your temporary green card. And you can actually use that for work and to go to the Social Security office. If you haven't, typically on your application, that Social Security office, the Social Security card would get mailed to your house with the green card. So you enter the United States on that visa. They enter it in the system. You've completed the process. You're now a lawful permanent resident, and your green card and your Social Security card will arrive in the mail. We have seen that immigration sometimes is behind in notifying the Social Security office that they need to print your Social Security card. So you can always take that visa and go to the Social Security office and make an inquiry if a lot of time has passed and you haven't received it. But that's essentially what happens after your spouse visa approves, the steps that happen after that. And then you'll also want to pay attention to your green card and see, did you get a 2-year green card or a 10-year green card? If you have a 2-year green card, you will have to go through a process called removal of conditions. That's a whole nother topic, and I invite you to check out our free resource center at immigrationforcouples.com. We talk in even more detail about the removal of conditions process. So hopefully that gives you some clarity on what happens next with the spouse visa approval. And if you've gotten an approval, congratulations. All right. I don't see that I have any other questions here in Facebook chat. So if not, then I will be signing off to get back to all my clients and casework and moving things ahead. So thank you so much for being here with me today. If you're watching this on the replay, please do a #replay and let us know what your questions are. And also check out our free resource center at immigrationforcouples.com. It was great spending some time with you here today. Take care. Bye.